All right, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get InstaDoodle lifetime deal. Seriously, pay once and profit forever. If your wallet's been hurting from all those monthly subscriptions just to make videos, you're going to love this. Stick around and I'll walk you through how you can grab unlimited access to a super cool AI doodle video maker for a one-time price. Let's dive in. So, here's the deal. Most video tools out there want a slice of your wallet every month. It adds up fast, and honestly, who needs another subscription? That's why I was hyped to find out about this InstaDoodle lifetime deal. Normally, it's $37 a month. That's like $440 a year just for making videos. But with this special offer, you only pay $37 once, and that's it. No more monthly fees ever. Let me show you what you get. This isn't some limited or watered down version. With the lifetime deal, you get unlimited video creation. Yep, unlimited doodle and explainer videos. There's a super easy drag and drop editor, over 1,000 doodle elements. There's Smart Doodle AI engine, and it all exports in stunning 1080p HD. Plus, they throw in 150 AI credits every single month, even on the one-time plan. It's stacked. And the best part? It's totally risk-free. There's a genuine 30-day money-back guarantee. So try it out, make a bunch of videos, and if you're not into it, just get your money back, no questions asked. This deal is for founding members only and won't last long. So if you want to say goodbye to subscriptions and finally pay once, profit forever, now's your chance. Just hit the link in the description and get set up. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a like. Drop a comment below with what kind of videos you want to make. Share this with anyone who's sick of monthly payments. And subscribe for more awesome deals like this. The quick link for the InstaDoodle lifetime deal is down in the description. Get it before it's gone. See you in the next one. All right, what's up everyone? In this